Oh, something I liked about this project was using Google Docs because it made it a lot easier for us to have the same paper and not have to constantly go back and forth with each other.
I also like Google Docs. That was really good. But I also like the research project for the data and putting it all together.
I liked working in a group that was trustworthy so that if I got confused on something, I could look to them for help, and I also wouldn't be as stressed out for doing it all by myself.
I liked using the WebPath Express that you guys gave us to use.
Well, personally, I enjoyed that we were allowed to work with other people, and on the Google Docs we could see what other people were writing. We didn't have to walk over to their computer and they didn't have to ask questions. They could just put it in the Google Docs and we could answer it right there.
I liked how it relied a lot on research, and so it made it a lot easier, and also you got to help people with it. So if you had trouble with it.
I like how research was saved on the Google Docs and how we can all view other people's work so we can all collaborate with each other.
I like how we could share ideas on the Google Docs. I could type something and then Nathan could type something. We can have a conversation there.
Well, the hardest part was the conclusion because we had pretty much summed up everything else in our other paragraphs.
The hardest part for me was the research. I couldn't really find anything.
I thought that putting it all together in one paper, you had to make it flow, even though we were talking about different topics in each of our paragraphs, so you kind of had to make it understandable.
I would say that the most challenging thing was trying to get all the research in a short amount of time, and it was a good challenge because we were getting prepared for high school, and that might occur.
I agree with the Vesh. We had to find specific countries for our presentation or our PowerPoint, and with that, we had to keep reviewing which countries was actually the correct one, and I think it was also a good challenge.
I agree with them, but also I thought a challenge was I went into it thinking that we were going to do math, but we didn't end up doing that.
Yeah.
I think I liked the challenge was how we had to write paragraphs each, and how we had to really describe the math that we were doing, and it was a good challenge.
I learned that about using Google Docs that you could share it with other people, because that's really helpful with most projects. I mean, you wouldn't even think about that for group projects, but everyone it was really easy to use and everything.
I learned about world population and how it grows in different countries, and how we can collaborate with each other as a group for that project work.
I learned how similar all the countries' populations and all the factors that were in each country were all similar to each other.
It really taught us how not all projects in school are done by yourself. You have to use teamwork to do stuff.
Well, personally, I learned that most of the countries that are growing at a more rapid pace they don't have as many great things that we do. They have schools and education. But most of the countries we found out that were growing rapidly were in Africa or Middle East, Asia.
Nice.